Hello, today I will show you my fourth attempt at designing a DIY watch, and this time it's round. The watch shows the time for 2 seconds when its rotor ring is turned clockwise, and the date when it is turned counterclockwise. When the ring is turned clockwise more, the watch enters the settings menu. The options are set alarm, alarm disable, stealth, beeps, bad apple, and indefinite. The alarm is set by adjusting the hours and minutes using the rotary encoder and waiting for the watch to accept the values. The beeps setting enables the beeping of the watch when accepting values and also the beeping of the alarm. The alarm is dismissed by twisting the rotary encoder. The stealth setting enables vibration instead of beeping when the watch accepts values and also enables a vibration alarm. The time is set using a similar menu as when setting the alarm, which is entered by turning the rotary encoder a long way counterclockwise from when the watch is asleep. The bad setting enables beeping when the watch accepts values and enables the playing of bad apple as the alarm. The ALDIS setting stands for Alarm Disable, and it disables the alarm. The INDEF setting stands for Indefinite, and it makes the watch display the time indefinitely until the rotary encoder is turned. I will now take the watch apart to show you the inside. The rotary ring contains 24 magnets, the polarities of which are detected by two Hall-effect sensors on the watch's main PCB. This essentially creates an incremental rotary encoder that doesn't require debounce and enables the watch to be completely watertight. The watch also has two rubber O-rings to help with water tightness, one at the top below the acrylic glass and one at the bottom. The PCB contains an ATmega32U4 microcontroller and is set up to work as an Arduino Pro Micro. The watch is powered by a 450 mAh round rechargeable LiPo battery. It is both charged and programmed using the USB-C port.